Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching the video. We are dealing with chapter 2 of this book. Chapter 2 of this book. The book itself is called Empowerment Center, Job Application and Interview Preparation Skills. That is the name of the book. Then the chapter is Reading and Understanding the Job Advertisement. Guys, you will know that a lot of jobs are advertised through the job advertisement, whether it's online or the actual advertisement on papers and all that. But there's always a job advertisement that you have to go through and then pick some information. That is great. And then use that information to actually construct your application documents. So in this chapter, which is chapter 2 in this book, right? We are giving that kind of information. The elements, 6 elements of adverts, of job advertisement. There are 6 things that you need to look at in the job advertisement in order to grasp it well and use it very well to your advantage. Number 1, we're looking at the short description. There's a paragraph. There's always a paragraph, a short description paragraph, which normally contains the identity of the organization that is advertising. But all the in-depth information you get in the book. 2, we look at the purpose of this job purpose. Under that job purpose, we look what is called nature of the post, Then we also look at the operational level of this post. Those are the nitty-gritties that you need to know so that you position yourself very well. Number 3, we look at academic qualifications. Under academic qualifications, we also look at packaging of that information, guys. Packaging that information. How do you package that information? Relevance in that information. Because you will find that we've got experience, we've got qualifications, but not all are relevant to this particular post. So which ones to pick in this particular post? How do you do that? Then number 4, we look at work experience. Work experience, we look at types of work experience. Like, for instance, your entry level, your intermediate, going on and on and on. Because you'll find that there are people maybe who are just graduates who says, I don't have 3 years experience that they needed from the advert, and yet this advert is an entry level kind of a job. So we are actually helping you to understand that. But what do they mean? What type of experience they're looking at? Because they know that this is an entry level kind of a job, and these people have not been employed for the period of 3 years. So what exactly the type of experience they are looking at? So we're looking at that. Okay, number 5, we're looking at the skills, type of the skills, the technical skills, the soft or transferable skills. We discussed that, so that you see which skills do you have versus what is required, and how do you position that, and how do you package that well to position yourself well. Then, number 6, we're looking at other attributes, Other attributes is things like your driver's license. Like, for instance, if they need a driver's license, and you've got a driver's license with PDP, those are the things that we're looking at, to say which are other attributes that you can put across that will take you a step further to this company. Like, for instance, the issue of PDP. You will find that this organization, maybe, they also do some kind of work here and there that needs a person, them to hire a car that is at that level. So now when you are here, and with PDP, you will be able to assist them, saving them from hiring a car and actually just using you to help them in that regard. So those are the issues that we look at, your advanced certificates, things like that, as well as industry specific certificates. So those are the things that we look at under what is called other attributes. But all that information, guys, is packaged well in this book. And to get this book, you have to WhatsApp the numbers on the screen. Then we'll take it from there and see how do we arrange for you to get your own copy. Then thank you, and thank you.